In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Microsoft Forms results with our comprehensive 2025 guide. We'll walk through each step to access, analyze, and share the results of your forms, making the most of Microsoft's versatile tool. To begin, open up Microsoft Forms by heading to forms.office.com. Log in using your Microsoft account. This can be a work, school, or personal account. Once you're in, take a look at the forms you've created and click on the one you'd like to examine closer. Now that your form is open, navigate to the Responses tab at the top of the page. Here, you'll get a snapshot of your form's performance. Useful data such as the total number of responses, the average time it took respondents to complete your form, and the status of the form, whether it's active or closed, are all accessible from this key section. This initial overview gives you a baseline understanding of how well your form is doing in terms of engagement and participation. Next, let's delve deeper by viewing the summary of results. Microsoft Forms takes care of the heavy lifting by automatically generating visual charts and graphs. For multiple choice questions, you'll see pie and bar charts, while rating questions will display average scores. Text responses will be neatly organized in a list, giving you a quick visual overview of any emerging trends or patterns. This summary not only saves you time, but also enhances the way you interpret the data. For a more detailed analysis, you might want to check out each individual submission. Still in the Responses tab, click on View Results. You can then use the arrows to scroll through each participant's responses one by one. For those of you who've used Microsoft Forms for quizzes, you'll find this part especially handy because it shows you any automatic grading and scores, assuming of course you set up correct answers when creating the form. To further analyze or manipulate your data, consider opening your results in Excel. Simply click Open in Excel, located at the top right corner. This action will download an .xlsx file containing all your form responses arranged neatly in a table format. Using Excel comes with several advantages, including advanced filtering and sorting capabilities, options for creating charts and pivot tables, as well as easy data backup and sharing options. Finally, if you need to share your results with a team or stakeholders, Microsoft Forms has made it easy to do so. Within the Responses tab, click on the More Options menu represented by 3 dots and select Create a Summary link. Once you've copied this link, you can share it with others, allowing teammates to view real-time charts and summaries without altering the original form. And there you have it, your complete guide to viewing and sharing results in Microsoft Forms. With these tools at your disposal, you can efficiently assess and communicate your data insights to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful